I don't know why my armpits are white. It's so weird. I literally just shaved them and they look like gross. Judge me if you will. Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos and you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter. I'm going to get into the good part first, and I'm not going to make you wait to the end of the video to find out about the giveaway. I accidentally ordered the wrong ponytail. I wanted the Yaki natural, and I ordered the Yaki straight. My local beauty supply store had this one, so guess what, girl? I picked up the natural Yaki, which is what I wanted again, but I picked up this online because I just couldn't wait to get it. And what happens when you rush, sometimes you overlook details. So anyways, my mistake is now your benefit. I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away this ponytail. It has not even been taken out of the packaging, sis. The only thing I've done is opened it to feel the texture, and I was like, oh no, that is too silky for your girl. Anyways, this is the Yaki straight 32-inch Pony Pro in 1B. One lucky winner will win this. All you have to do is read the description box for the giveaway information, and obviously be a subscriber to this channel. And yeah, check out the details, and this pony will be yours, sis. I'll keep the giveaway open for about 2 weeks, maybe 3. Just read the description. Alright, let's get on to this lovely, just call me Megan the Stallion girl, because I'm out here slaying with my synthetic pony, okay? I love it, okay, sis, I love it. I think I did too many waves today, so it doesn't look as natural, but that's fine. Everybody knows my hair ain't really this long. And even if it was, kudos to me. Anyways, so I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna show you how I install this ponytail as well as how I install it on a mannequin head, because I feel like it was easier to see on the mannequin head. But I'm going to keep it 100. This is not as easy as pull it out of the bag and flip it on your hair and it fills and it's tight and all the things that the instructions say. So it's gonna take some time to get used to. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, keep it real, as we always do over here. And so, what else do I have to tell you guys? This is a 1B Yaki. It's soft. I like it. I'm going to be swinging this hair all over the city and all over this world pretty soon. And the cost at my local beauty supply store, I think it was like $12.99. I found it online for as cheap as $10.99. But I'm just gonna warn you, online it's pretty much sold out everywhere, both the Yaki and the straight. So I would suggest checking your local beauty supply store first before you head online, but I will leave you the links online, and I will leave the name. If you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, I will leave the name of the beauty supply store where I purchased it. Discount code so you can get 10% off your purchase. Or is it 5? 5 or 10% off your purchase? I can't remember, sis. Anyways, let's get into the demo, and then I'll show you how long it looks on me. I am 5'4", if you did not know, so it's a little bit, you know, longer looking on me, but that's okay because this is something totally different. It kind of actually reminds me of Annie, which is my favorite half wig of all time. I actually had to repurchase her not that long ago. It reminds me of a ponytail version of Annie. I do have a couple of drawstring ponytails, which my only thing I don't like about drawstring ponytails is that the part where you put your bun is not big enough for people with a lot of hair. Can y'all, you know, Vivica Fox, can y'all work on that for me? You know what I'm saying? Because I got a lot of hair and I want to be able to wear a phony pony, you know, every now and then. Anyway, this is a great protective style. I feel like I've been talking a lot, so I'm gonna let you guys get into the demo. Alright guys, so I totally figured out the spiel on how to do it. What you want to do is you want to put the clip here into your ponytail long ways like this. What I was doing before was like putting it in like that. Doesn't work. So put it in directly this way, like this, and you're going to wrap the ponytail around just like you would if you were just using wefts and not using this kind of thing. That way what you're going to do is you want to make sure that it stays, the clip stays in line and the wefts literally lay right on top of each other. And that way, that's going to keep it secure, and so it doesn't, oops, I'm twisting her, so it doesn't fall out. Where's that piece? And then you have this extra piece that's going to cover up the wefts, and I like to do it a little thicker so it definitely covers up the wefts. You can do it thinner if you want, and I think like a twist might be cute, like if you do something like this. A twist. That might be cute, like a twist all the way around, or a simple twist like that. You know, just to add something different to the ponytail. And then you can take that extra piece and just put a bobby pin, and there you go. And as you can see, I had a ponytail, but the ponytail, this hair is so thick, the ponytail is just within this hair. And the same thing happened with my hair. The bun was up here, or the bun is up here, and you can't see it because the ponytail is so thick. So that's a plus all around. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see it. And of course you can do it neater if you want, or messier, however you want to do it. Alright, so I'm going to this, I freaking love it. And I'm going to show y'all one quick style that I thought about that I'm probably going to rock as well. Just like a simple twisted look like this. Or you can twist it up and wear it like in a bun. You know what I'm saying? Then you got two looks in one. Maybe that's not the cutest bun, but bam, there's another style for you. And just a little random chignon. And then let's see what else we can do with it. You can probably just, I don't know, you can do a fishtail. I feel like you can do a fishtail with it. Let me do a quick fishtail for y'all. I'm not gonna do it all the way down, but then y'all can just, you'll get the concept. You know what I'm saying? The concept. Fishtail is so easy, y'all. Literally, you just take hair from the back and put it over. Back, put it over, back, put it over, back, put it over. I don't know if you can see it kind of coming in there. Back, put it over. And honestly, I might actually like it in multiple styles and actually having it out. And why, you know what I'm saying? I be out here looking like a Disney princess. Okay, you get the concept. So then you can wear it, you know, like that. So that was literally 4 styles in one. Regular, twisted ponytail, a bun twist ponytail, and then a fishtail. So, I mean, that's 4 styles in one you got, sis. So, yeah. And let me show you what it looks like. Is it shedding? Not much shedding. I just got to figure out. Okay, I'm going to step back so y'all can see. Excuse my little lights. Yeah, you see. I need to tighten this part for sure. Like I said, I'm going to play around with it some more. But I freaking love. And honestly, I may end up even cutting it because this is a lot of freaking hair. But it's cute and it's totally something different that I usually wouldn't wear. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to press that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, join the notification gang, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.